Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Boxy Premium, so let's get into it. Check it out. Boxy Premium is a $39.99 box. We will have 6 products. We will have chosen 2 of them, and it will have an average value of about $215. So let's just dig right in and see what I got. We'll see if I can remember what I chose for this month. We'll see what they chose for me. I always say I kind of like that it's kind of a surprise because you never know what they're going to choose for you. We see a lot of options out there in spoilers, but we really never know what we're going to get. And that's what it looks like when we get it opened up. And we have our paperwork, which I know now from doing the other box, it says status 000. And since I'm still up here and haven't had a chance to look it up, I don't know what that means. So as it turns out, I think I remember both of the choices I made. So we'll start with those. I have a Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. I got this because I had this in another scent and I really liked it. Now, as it turns out, I have been getting a lot of body creams in some boxes lately, but that's okay. They last forever. And I don't mind keeping the neighborhood supplied. Slight exaggeration. The paperwork says, with a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish. Natural oils, including jojoba, argan, and almond, nourish the skin without making it greasy. Free from colors and parabens, cruelty-free, made in England with 100% responsibly sourced natural oils. It is brand new to Boxy, and it has a $32 value. Well, if it's new to Boxy, I wonder where I got it, because I have it. I don't have the scent. You think they mean the scent? Oh, that's nice. I don't always love, granted, I should have done the math that Geronimo might be geranium, but I didn't. And I don't always love the scent of geranium, but that smelled good. Oh yeah, it smells really fresh and nice. They're right. It's a little floral, a little green. Totally would wear it. Totally. Yay. Love that. So that was $32. We are well on our way to paying for my box. My other choice, I believe, is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Cream, and I got it in Birch 1.5. The reason I think this is what I chose is because I feel like I remember looking up the color. So let's see how I did. As luck would have it, as long as it's too dark for me and not too light, I start down a trail of everybody's. We're all different shades of darkness, but they're all darker than me. This says it's the #1 tinted moisturizer in the US. This 3-in-1 multitasker is a moisturizer, skin tint, and SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin, and it has a $37 value. And the active ingredient is titanium dioxide. Let's color check this. Ooh, nailed it. You know, when you go out and look something up, you're never sure when you're looking at your little iPad when it comes home if it's actually going to be your color. So far it looks like we're close. Oh yeah. Is it shiny? Is it supposed to have glow? Did it talk about that? Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel. I feel like, can you guys see it? I don't know if that'll come across. I feel like it has some shine to it. I'll have to get online and read about it, but I feel like I nailed the color. Just doing it on the back of my hand, I can tell it's very, oh, it's the titanium dioxide. That's probably what it is, whiting me out. I don't mind it because I'm so light, but I wonder what it did in the darker colors. If you chose this and you're darker than me, which, let me know how it did for you. I like the texture and the glow that it put on the back of this hand. I don't know if you can see the difference. I'll just do this for a minute and see. I like it. It's not sticky. I like the way it feels. I'll have to read more about it. No real scent. Okay, I'm already at $69 for the value of my box. Next out, and I'm not even going to take these out of here because I have received them in another Boxy box. And as I say that, I am remembering that I got an email from Boxy. A very interesting email because they said, sorry, we sent you something you already had in one of your boxes, but that's okay. Take this $6 credit to the drop shop, which I thought, well, that's very interesting because they used to give us $12 credits. So now when they double ship you something, you get a $6 credit. This is the CBD, and I have said I am kind of over CBD, not to mention I have enough shampoo and conditioners going that I'm good. So I will set this aside to pass along. But I can still talk about it. The paperwork says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, baobab, and avocado, while anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. It has a $66 value. Okay, next out, I have two Luxie beauty sponges. I won't call them beauty blenders, so two Luxie beauty sponges. Just for the record, and you guys know, so I feel like I can do this. I'm not one to complain. It doesn't feel very premium to receive two beauty sponges as one of my products in a little baggie. I'm just saying. I know beauty blender sponges are $20 each, and if these are good, that's in theory $40 worth of sponges. They're getting ready to tell me how much, but still, maybe it's the baggy part. Luxie all-purpose sponge set. The duo-sided duo-sided? They look exactly the same. Oh no! Hold on a second. We gotta get this out of here and see what they mean by duo-sided. I was thinking side, but it's top, bottom. I don't know that I will ever get that across, but oh yeah, no, it's showing. See the line here that goes across that way? So the top is more brown and the bottom is more pink. All right, well, let's see what they say about that then. Now I'm slightly intrigued. Also, almost the exact same sponge as a beauty blender, but the outside feels more porous, less smooth. The duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it onto your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet, it will apply your liquid products with no lines or demarcation. $40, Boxy exclusive. It never tells me why they're different. So I'll have to look that up. The bottom, hold on, let me close my eyes. Yes, the bottom is smoother. I have to close my eyes to make my feel work. Yes, the bottom is smoother than this. I will look up, if I can put it concisely, I'll put it here. If I can't, I'll put it down in the description what they say the difference is. But $40 value, so yes, they are sticking to beauty blender prices. So, I mean, don't get me wrong. I will use them. Next out, I have an Avant. So, I'm rich. You know, they always say these things are worth $1 billion. Avant. Feeling a little silly now. Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Anti-Oxidizing Cleansing Gel. Wonder what the stone is, because that is a perfectly clear gel. A mild, non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts. It helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation, the perfect first step in your skincare regime. It has a $110 value, 3.38 ounces of cleanser, $110. Ba-bam. I'm gonna get on, read about it, see if it will work for me. If it won't work for me, I'm going to save it and pass it along. So we're not gonna squeeze any out of here. Last but not least, we have the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Color Palette. That's a big palette. That is what it looks like. On the back it says, marry me? Oh, Manny and UA. Okay, this is super pretty. This is kind of 3D. It's, I don't know. I don't think it's tall enough that I could show it to you, but it's kind of puffed out and it's gorgeous. It's reflective and pink and so pretty. So it's pretty nude, but it looks like it's pretty. I like this. It's a really good combination of, I've got my finger on it because I haven't decided yet with the neutrals. It's a really good combination of cools and warms. I love this pink up top, and this is kind of a gray that I've got my hand on. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I think even though it's nude, I'm gonna give it a shot. First, let's see what the paperwork says. Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette has a $48 value. Soft and Romantic 18 Well Eyeshadow Palette of neutrals and soft pinks. 6 shimmers and 12 matte. So I think, yeah, this middle row is our shimmers. Everything else is matte. The only thing I would call pink, just so we're clear, this is kind of a peachy, very, very light pink. This is a pink. No pink. No pink. This might be pink. We'll find out in a second. This one you could call a really dark mauve if you wanted to. Everything else is very neutral. So, you know what? Let's try This one is the one they call Bear. That's the one that I said was kind of a peachy pink. It's pretty. This is the Cherry Blossom that's right next to it. You guys had to know I was going to swatch the pinks, right? That's the Cherry Blossom. And then on the next row, I said this Sam. I don't know what Sam's story is. Nope, it's gold. I thought it might be kind of pink. I guess you could call it, yep, it's kind of rose gold. So I'll allow that to be a pink. And then in the bottom one, this very corner says Milk Tea. Yeah, it could be, I mean, I wouldn't call it pink, but it could be a really dark mauve, this one. So let's see. I would do the lightest one all over my eye. Here, let me try and make an eye. I would do that all over my eye. And that is what it looks like. It's kind of here. Can you see it? It's real pretty. And then I would take this darker pink and kind of do it in my crease. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And going up, we need more. Oh, I'm gonna be happy I kept this. So I would add that. Oh, that's really hard. I would add that in my crease. And then I would take this darker matte and do it, we'll pretend like this is the outside of my edge. I do that here and up into here. You guys are seeing. And then that is what that would look like. I really hope any of this is showing. And then in all fairness, I have this pretty rose gold, but if I was doing a normal day's eye, I would probably take the So Icy, which is the very first really white one, and I would do it. I would tap it into this corner. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. That is absolutely stunning. I love the formula on that. And that is how I build my eyes. I really should have done that in a better place on my hand, but that is so pretty. I'm so glad I tapped into this. All right, this rose gold, let's just, oh yeah, wow. I would just maybe do an all over day with that. You know, the lid, just, that's gorgeous. The pigmentation on this is stunning. So that is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Set. This box had some value. Hold on, let me find out the value of my box. The value of my box is $330. That said, this is 110 of it. So even if you took this out completely, just acted like it didn't even exist, my box value is still $220. And this has some value. We'll see how much when I try it. But we have the Lunar Beauty, which I will definitely use. We have the two I chose, the body cream and the tinted moisturizer. I'll use both of those. These Luxies I will definitely use. The Avant I will definitely try. And that just leaves us with the CBD shampoo and conditioner over here that I will pass along. That's a pretty darn good box for me. That's a really good combination. I have hair care, skin care, makeup, tools. All right. Good job, Boxy. Thank you so much for coming by. Let me know what you got in your boxes. I know it's been a hot minute since you probably opened your July box. All of those FabFitFun videos puts me behind. Actually, the way they do it now, it takes almost 2 full weeks, so it puts me way behind. So I appreciate your patience while we catch up really quickly here. And thank you so much for coming by. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I hope you will consider subscribing if you don't subscribe. And I hope I will see you again really soon. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you later, guys.